Enjoy these original melodies with lyrics that are inspired by traditional chants. Each song includes suggested drum rhythms, guitar chords, chants, and translations. 10 of the songs are based on Sanskrit chants, 2 of the songs include Gurmukhi chants, 2 of the songs are African songs which work well with children or adults, and 1 song sings the word peace in various languages. Also included are 60 fun drum rhythms which are great for drum circles. You can listen and play along with the songs on SoundCloud, and you might even feel like you're playing with a band. Every song is meant to be a call and response, which means you can echo the words after you hear each line. And when you hear humming, you're invited to either hum along or sing the words. If you want to use headphones, you may want to uncover one ear so you can hear yourself. And if you don't want to disturb others when you practice, you can place a towel on your drum head to soften the sound. So in the recordings, you'll hear the djembe sometimes comes in after the first verse to add an extra layer. And then you'll hear the djembe gradually adding more improvisation throughout the song. And you're encouraged to add your own improvisation. You can play along with the song as you would participate in a conversation, sometimes listening and sometimes expressing different responses. And when you're listening, you can play soft and simple rhythms. The method of notation used in the songbook is the Gundun Godopata method. The font size is large so you can place the book on the floor and see it while you're holding your instrument.